Alrighty, everybody, let's go. Welcome up to the live stream today. I really appreciate you guys joining up here today. Let's go. It's going to be a pretty fun one, I have a feeling. Man, we are really dropping down in pre-market here on a ton, and I mean a ton of stocks. I mean, going over to my watch list here, into the red, I mean, there are so many. Spies, obviously, there. Tesla, though, is one of the big players that's really, like kind of worrying me today. They're one of the bigger stocks out there that so far has kind of been down a lot in pre-market. Now that the market opened, it actually looks like they're getting a little bit of green coming back. So that's good. Same thing for AMD. Same thing for NVIDIA. So I don't know if maybe it was just pre-market action there, but we'll have to wait and see a couple minutes. I think that they'll start to fall back down. Now this is AAL, American Airlines. Definitely still looking pretty rough right there. Apple actually popped back, believe it or not, right there at open. That's pretty funny. Right before open, I should say, had a nice pop in pre-market. That's kind of funny. So some of these stocks are actually coming back quite well. I can't lie. Like Apple, I can't believe it's all the way back up considering it fell down to 170 today, but there we go. 171.40, 171.50 right there. Let's look for some more good movement, though, with it. I mean, I think we can definitely find some better movers out there. Sean goes, I had 10 alerts go off. Yeah, that's pretty good. Hey, good morning, Mike, Manny, Purdy, Jamie, Copycat Tattoos. What a name. Spacely and Sean Cornish. Love the names, guys. Let's go. Thanks for joining up. Man, what a day, though. So far, I mean, we've been having a lot of bearish price action. Apple's running up right into that low of yesterday. I don't know if that's significant or not. It seems fairly significant given that that's right around resistance here, 171.50. I did have to restart my computer again before the stream today. It kind of messed me up. Yeah, I woke up this morning and my computer was all messed up. I had to restart it. Took all my fun stuff away here. MasterCard, though, really falling off. Okay. Wow, man. MasterCard. That's like 2 pretty rough days in a row right at market open. That's pretty rough. Pretty rough, to say the least. Citigroup. Okay. C's actually looking okay. I mean, looking okay to the downside if it continues. Hopefully it keeps going. I'm really looking for more red here today, guys. Like, I don't want to see any consolidation like this. I want to see some of these daily charts actually have some good continuations to the downside here. Like, Citigroup getting under 44 to me, or 45 would be pretty big today. We could get under that. Nvidia is actually down again, though, a little bit. Like we talked about, though, it's coming back at open. So, a little weird to say that. But yeah, they're ripping right back up. Tesla is too. Right back to the upside. So maybe if we're playing puts, be a little bit careful here today. Just be a little bit wary. Uh-oh. Palantir fell just under my support I had and then ripped right back up. Wow, never even had a close under there. Not even one. That's crazy. Yeah, Palantir coming back. How's DraftKings? Hey, there we go. If DraftKings comes back, I won't be too sad. It's pretty good. You know what's really kind of flying up today? Oh, I don't know why I did that. Is crude oil here. Crude oil is actually looking pretty good. Back up. You know, they dipped down a lot last night heading into this morning, but it started to rip back up at market open. You know, yesterday throughout the day, this stock was actually doing pretty well. I mean, yeah, crude was ripping. It was at like 71, 72. Now we're at 74.35. Definitely continuing to the upside. When we go to that daily chart, you can see there's definitely green coming in. So let's go look at ZOM and Oxy. Maybe even Drip and Gush. Gush might be a good one. Oil does keep going up. We just saw a big bearish bet against oil by some hedge funds, which was pretty funny. Yeah, who's ready for the blood, Tangy? I know I am. I am definitely ready, but at market open here, we're getting some red coming back, so I'm being patient here, but I'm waiting for that blood to come in. Like, look at Apple. Like, what's going on there? Boeing actually looks pretty bloody, I'll tell you that. Boeing looks pretty good. Keep your eyes on it. Right around $200. Wow. Yeah, it's pretty big there, Boeing. That's huge. Right at $200 even. We're going to have to see how that one ends up looking here. Tesla. Let's go. Need to find some good momentum here, you know? It's hard to find this momentum today because everything kind of fell down, came back up. Now it looks like it's falling again. So come on, Tesla bears. The bears are ready to feast, guys. Let's go. Let's go. What else is falling back? Wow, AMD's coming back to the upside. Jeez. We all know NVIDIA reports tonight, right? Does everybody remember that? It's actually going to be pretty big there. Man, come on, AMD. Let's go. I'm hoping these stocks kind of sell back off, but I guess after... excuse me. Man. I guess after those big drops, though, it's only natural for it to come back up. NVIDIA, right off of 300, almost. Got real close. Yeah, it's pretty big. Wow, $300 even. Let me get my book map back open here. We're getting it up. There we go. Just kind of show you guys how the book map starts up. Oh, it disappeared. Did it crash? I have a feeling my book map just crashed. Yeah, I think it did. We're gonna have to open it back up. Palantir, though, right at $12 support. Watch Palantir here, guys. I know it's been falling down a lot the past few days, but this is a pretty big support. If we hold this, it could be good for calls today, but I'm really watching for us to fall under here. I think that it would be an amazing potential play if we could get under Palantir here. That would be fantastic. Sean goes, I do remember NVIDIA earnings. I have it on my work calendar even. That's pretty good, Sean. That's pretty funny. Be awesome if OPEC screwed the hedgies. That'd be cool. That would be cool. Yeah, I'd be kind of I don't know. I kind of just want it to stay the same, you know, somewhere around $70 to $80 a barrel. I don't really want it to get over 100. So if it just stays here, it'd be okay, but yeah, I hope it doesn't tank down too much. That'd be crazy though if a recession did happen and it did happen to go crazy, but I don't know. Yeah, OPEC's gonna screw them. Yeah, I saw that too, Tangy. Yes, sir. That's gonna be interesting when they start to do that. I think they've been talking about that one for a little bit. Or at least they talked about it a couple months ago. Possibly happening then, at least, but they'd love to bring oil up as it's used more over the summer here. I mean, they would love it. Come on, Palantir. Get under 12 for us. We need some nice put plays. Those bears. They're ready to feast. I'm going to test out a bear sound here, so bear with me. Oh my lord. The bears are really ready to feast with that one, guys. Oh my gosh. Wow, that was... I hope that wasn't too loud. I had it turned down like a lot, so... Holy shit. Yeah, the bears are ready to feast, guys. We'll just say that. Let me know what you guys are watching, though. You know, like, what stocks are you guys watching here today? So far, it's been very, very choppy, in my opinion. Like, look at this move with Palantir. That is about as choppy as you can get. Just no continuations. NVIDIA, I mean, it's not as choppy as you can get like Palantir, but it's damn close. AMD's actually been coming up. Actually, which is interesting. How's MU and Qualcomm? Yeah, they're doing okay. Nice green days again. QCOM. QCOM, not ZCOM. Maybe if they get up above that resistance intraday, about 102.80 on Qualcomm, could be pretty good. You put it right there. Huh. That might even be worth an alert today, but I don't know. Yeah, I don't say it. I wouldn't think so. Not worth it. QQQ, there we go, though. That was a big move yesterday, guys. That hybrid bot play on QQQ yesterday was amazing. I love that. It was on fire. Yeah, it was up 81% at the high there, and man, it was a pretty fun one to play as well. It took a little bit of, I don't know, I guess you might say gumption, or it took some strength to hold that one, but I know people were asking about it, and I posted up this little wedge, and it kept bouncing on the top of the wedge and never really broke out. So I love that play. Ended up falling under it in a big, big way. That was awesome yesterday, guys. Man, great play on QQQ by the hybrid bot. Love that one. Sean's watching Starbucks and UVXY. Oh, yeah, I forgot about Starbucks, or I should say Pumpkin Spice. I saw you mention it this morning, and I actually went and looked at it when you mentioned it, and we've actually been talking about it a little bit. I think this was the play last night, believe it or not. So, yeah, check this out. It was a Starbucks put debit spread. For anybody who doesn't know, it's a bearish play where you're buying a higher strike price and you're selling a lower strike price. So they're doing this for $814,000. Looks pretty good. They're right around $100 even on Starbucks here. Now, I have a feeling Starbucks might bounce for a second, something like that, but I do think that it'll probably end up falling down in a pretty big way. I mean, Starbucks is up a lot right now, and we go to that daily chart, it is really up. So just keep your eyes on it. Look at all these big swings that we've been having in the market, like big rip, big drop, big rip, big drop, big rip. You know, what's only fitting next, right? A fairly big drop probably. Maybe down to like 85 or 80 or even 90. I mean, that would even be a big drop down to 90. So let's go. Let's go Starbucks. I really like this one, Sean. I really like it. Now, it might hold around 100 for a minute, you know, be hard to break there, but I feel like once we solidify under here, we'll be pretty good. Be pretty good. Where's Apple going? Hey, what's up, Corbin? Appreciate you joining. Saw you asking about the stream earlier. And C, it's getting beaten, so Cornish is watching C. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, those banks are looking rough again, man. Bank of America, JP Morgan, they're all looking kind of bad. Wow. That's rough. Manny says, where's Apple going? Yeah, let's actually get the book map up. Apple always has a bunch of resistance around 175. I know I was watching that one a ton yesterday. Huge resistance up there, 175. Big supports at 170. There's a lot of buyers at like 170, and then like it looks like 170.25 as well. Like just a lot of buyers down there. Wow. Quite a bit. There's a stack of 113,000 shares at 170 and 88,000 at 170.25. So, dang. It's pretty interesting to see stacks like that. Huge. That is huge. Wow. Yeah, so let's go ahead and go back to the regular chart and maybe see like where we think it's going to be going. Let me actually zoom in here a little bit. Wanna zoom in. Okay. Yeah, so where I think Apple's going is going to be to the downside ultimately. But today, I mean, it's coming back pretty hard. So today's strategy, in my opinion, is going to be to play this back down at some point if I were you, Manny. So what I have a feeling is that, you know, Apple, it's had two huge drops, okay? That drop yesterday was huge. All of pre-market, it was down. All day, it was down. And then all this morning, it was down again. And then even Monday morning, it was even down a lot in pre-market as well. Had a lot of crazy bounces there. Man, that's pretty crazy to see bounces like this on Apple. Especially that much downside movement in just a couple days. I feel like that this uptrend here off 170 is just a combination of two things. A bunch of buyers at 170, obviously buying this up. You know, like if we go to that book map and we scroll back here to when it got close to 170 earlier this morning. Let's see. Where was that? Right before the market opened, okay. So, you know, somewhere like right down in here. You can tell I had a pretty good bounce, and then there was a bunch of buyers obviously came in again once the market opened. I feel like in pre-market, some of those buyers actually came in as well. You can see a couple volume dots, but nothing like when the market opens, of course. But still, though, big orders here coming in under, and I think that's just really pushing us to the upside here. I do think, though, that we're going to break under 170 at some point. The question is, though, is will it be today? Will it be the next couple days? I think it's going to be very important to watch Apple and maybe wait. So there's a big resistance coming up right around 172.50. We actually just got very, very close to it. I'm watching it for a move up and some type of consolidation and then a move back down. So it might actually even pop up and test like 174 again before coming back. So we're going to have to be a little careful and see what happens with it. But I do think that there might be a little bit of uptrend before we just utterly fall off the face of the earth with Apple here. But I do think, though, that this big drop is coming with Apple shortly. Like, if we go to the daily, we zoom in. I mean, they are just so high recently. And these stocks actually are having huge swings. Like, look at all these big swings with Apple here. These are some pretty big swings on all of these uptrends and downtrends, and it's a lot. You know, that's a lot of movement. So I am looking down, but it might take a little bit of upwards movement before we finally get it down. So, hey, it just called out Apple, did it? Let's see, AAPL. We go look at the SM bot real quick for us. Let's see. The SM bot. Yeah, it is calling it out on there a little bit, isn't it? Calling out some Apple calls, Apple calls. I'll tell you what, though, it's calling out some Tesla puts right now. Are we starting to fall back? Ooh, Tesla's falling back over, guys. That's looking fire. It looks like the free day trading play is actually a Tesla 180 put. Wow, that's going to be a fun one, guys. Tesla puts. Ooh. Ooh. That's pretty good. I'm liking this one. That's awesome, though. Let's go. Yeah, that's awesome. I love that Tesla play there. I hope it keeps really ripping. Awesome to see it breaking support like that. Wow. How was that sound earlier with the with the bear? Did you guys like that? Connection restored. Uh-oh, I hope I didn't lose connection on you guys. Nothing like that, hopefully. Man, Apple's starting to consolidate now, and this might be time for it to, you know, like if you're a scalper out there, this might be one of those times, you know, we're getting like a nice consolidation here. The top. How do I... Okay. You know, there we go. You know, pretty good resistance there, starting to fall down. If you're a scalper and you've been waiting for those puts, this might be a good opportunity. I mean, you're getting in almost at the area. God, it broke down yesterday. Right at that big resistance around 172.50. Doesn't mean it's going to keep going down all day, but hey, looks like a pretty good scalping opportunity right now. Manny's in 271 on Tesla. Yeah, we need some Tesla price action here to the downside, baby. Come on. Let's hit 180. Come on, 180 even. Let's go. Let's go test there. Yes, sir. Keep on going. Don't be afraid. You know, if you have like 5+ contracts on this, don't be afraid to cut a couple or a few of them, you know, maybe around 180 or fairly soon, because as we know, the market's been volatile as hell lately. So really watch it. We're getting real close to 180 even. I mean, I don't think we're just going to rip right through this. We're going to hit this and probably get a little bit of green candle coming back in here. So be ready on the 1 minute. It's going to get a little bit volatile, I think. Going to get a little volatile here. Watch for that. It'll probably start to get a little bit volatile on the candle, and like I said, maybe hit around 180 and start to come back a little bit. I do think that some buyers are going to be coming in there. Let's actually go to the book map. Go see it. Let's watch it happen live, guys. Let's watch it happen. Look at these volume dots coming in. Look at those dots hitting. There we go. Just broke. Look at that. Volume 100,000 at 179.97 or 179.99 7. There we go though. 179.60. Boom. 179.50. Come on. Come on. Let's go. That's awesome, guys. Hell yeah. That is an awesome trade. I threw a video in the Discord of a bear like roaring. That is fantastic there. Love that. Go, Tesla, go. Keep on going. That's awesome there. Fantastic. Got under 180 pretty hard. Looks like we did fly under 180. We only had a slight little bounce there on the 1 minute. It like went back up to the top of that candle, came back down, but oh yeah, that was awesome. Big break there. I was waiting for it on that chart. On the Bookmap. Yeah, hey, if you guys are interested in Bookmap, check it out. It's fantastic. Wow. Keep on going, Tesla. This is fantastic. That is awesome. Man, that's awesome there, Tesla. Let's go. Let's go. That's awesome. That was a good play. I'll tell you what, if you're scalping it, I'd look to probably take some profits here, at least on a few of the contracts, right? Definitely do it. Oh, Corbin missed it. B Square says, good morning. Hey, Square, how you doing? Hope you're having a good day so far. We had a free sniper bot play here on Tesla, and it was fantastic. Amazing drop here, under 181. Fell under 180 in a big way, Square. Man, thanks for joining up, though. Thanks for being here. I'm going to post up a poll here on the SPY here. I have a weird feeling with the SPY, so it's still going down. Good stuff, good stuff. How's DraftKings looking? Okay. Just lingering around. SPY, those really dipping. I need to start a poll with the SPY real quick. All right, I'm asking you guys in the poll. Let me know where you guys think SPY is going to go. I actually have two choices. Hold up higher, obviously, or fall under 410. Let me know which one you guys are voting for here. Bunch of cool answers always, I know. So let's see how it goes. Sometimes they're interesting. Sometimes they're interesting. The Bears were ready to feast, though. What did we say? Apple gonna pump or dump? Yeah, so a little hard to explain. I wish he'd asked this on the stream. Hang on, guys. Let me type this. Sorry, guys. Sorry about that. Had a question in the Discord there. Jamie's out on Tesla. 10 contracts, 460 bucks. Let's go. That's awesome. I love that. Hey, no problem, Square. No problem. Thanks for being here, my guy. Appreciate you. Jamie, though, 10 contracts. He's out on the Tesla. I'd love to see that. 460 bucks. That's awesome. And yes, smash that like button, guys. If you're enjoying the stream, smash that like button. Let's go. It's been a great day for the Bears. Oh, man. Mind yourself here. We're about to do another. The Bears are coming out to feast. Oh my gosh. We might have to stop that one. Oh, that one. I don't know. That sounds really realistic though. Like no capping. That one is realistic as hell, but hell, someone's gonna come in my room and be like, they're gonna be like, did you have a pet bear in here? What's going on? It's gonna be funny. I'm gonna be like, what are you keeping in this office? Yeah, what a day though, guys. I mean, hey, that's a fantastic move. Love that. Good job, Jamie. Congrats all around. W's in the chat, guys, for Jamie. W's all around. W's for anybody that caught the play. Just throw them out there. W's all around, guys. That's awesome. Great plays. Yeah, if you guys caught anything to the downside today, W's are deserved. That's for sure. Apple's actually having a pretty good, like, triple top going on. Maybe it'll finally start dipping back here. That's awesome, though. I love that play with Tessie there. That's fantastic. Love to see that. What I don't love to see, though, is my friends over at DraftKings going down. I'll tell you what, the Bears are not happy about that one with me. Hey, Mike, hey, just hit me up in Discord, Mike. Yeah, we should have the private messages going, right? Let me find you here. I thought we've talked before on there, maybe not. Let me Yeah, just PM me on Discord, Corbin. We got you. Wow, come on here. Let's see DraftKings. Come on. Don't fall up. Don't keep falling down for me, DraftKings. No. What about Zoom? Hey, Corbin, Mike said he'd message you, so be ready for that, Corbin. Wow, that's a big drop, though, with Zoom, guys. Of course it's going to be dropping, right? Zoom, zoom, zoom. You guys remember that on the old Sims game on the old intro? We might have to go back and watch that. He goes, that's the last time I got to tell you about the bears in your room. Man, Mike, don't tell him. He's going to spank me. No. Oh, boy. Tessie's about to break lower again. You know who we've been missing lately, guys, is good old Keisha. Where's Keisha? Hey, Tessie, there we go. Get under there. Come on, get under 179 now. There we go. Come on now. Let's see. Get on the book map there. Another big area of buyers here at 179. Let's see if it can break. It's about to. There we go. We got the fill. It's a majority red fill as well. Still sitting right there, though. We're going to have to see if it can... The Bears can take control again. Come on, Bears. No. No, 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 no. Bears. Yes. That was pretty volatile there for a second. Look at all these movements coming in here. Come on, Tesla. Don't you dare use this as a support. Don't you dare. There we go. There we go. There we go. Keep it up.
Today, Junior?
Hurry up, Tesla. Alright, looks like maybe a little double bottom there, actually. So we need to be a little bit careful around here. But I still think it's going to break. It looks pretty good. Very interesting, though. Love watching this. Come on, let's get some better profits. Come on. Come on. I know some people are trimming. Some people are taking profits, trimming some contracts here. Let's get another big leg so that we can get a full cut or something. That'd be fantastic. Yeah, look at that triple bottoming now here on the chart. Having a lot of trouble breaking down, but I still think it's going to happen. Come on. Getting real choppy here, though. I'll tell you that. It's staying real low. It's crazy watching it on the book map compared to like a regular 1 minute chart. It makes the 1 minute charts look slow, doesn't it? Hey, if you guys are enjoying the stream, though, smash that like button. Let's go. I appreciate you. Spy went under 417. Saram says AMD struggling. Yeah, it is. It actually moved up a little bit at open. Now it's pulling back over. Kind of like what I thought Apple would do. You know, moving kind of like Apple, like I thought Apple would. Dang. Come on, AMD. Get some better movement coming in. Disney, 8870. Very broken right now. Ooh, what's broken, Christian? Disney? Yeah, it definitely is. Jeez. Yeah, it's gonna be dipping for a little bit, I have a feeling. I have a feeling. This is why I didn't want to load up on too much of it the last couple weeks. Why I only got in just a little bit of Disney. Little bit. I'm really averaging in as we go, so that'll be good. Hmm. Very interesting charts here, though, on Disney. I mean, that is a crazy long-term chart. For real. So many bounces off that big support. Palantir below 12. There we go. Finally, Palantir. There we go. I've been waiting for this move all morning. Thanks for telling me, Sean. I forgot to place an alert. So busy getting everything together for the stream. I forgot to place the alert down, but yeah, there we go. Christian had to fold his longs. Nice. Yeah, sometimes that'd be like that, Christian. Cassie's going. Let's go look at Tesla again. Is it still falling? There we go. 178.59, guys. Love it. I love to see it. Keep on going, Tesla. Fantastic. Oh.
Fellas, look what I found in my pocket. Look, a year's salary right here. What I call them? Fun coupons. See that? A fun coupon.
I'm on the sloop, John B. Grandfather and me. Around Nassau town.
Fun coupons, baby. I love that scene on there. Let's get it going, though. Come on, Tesla. Keep it going. Come on. Why stop here? Let's get to 178. Let's see a real break. Come on now. That'll be awesome. Wow. This is quite the day, guys. Hey, smash that like button for The Wolf of Wall Street, guys. If you guys like the movie, smash the like. One of my favorite movies ever. I'd play it right now, but I can't because we'll get banned. I would definitely live stream that for us if we could. Honestly, if I could somehow stream it to Discord, I don't know if that's illegal or not, but if someone out there that's a lawyer could tell me if that's legal or not, then maybe I will one of these days. Palantir below 12 bucks, Sean says. Wow, look at that. It really is under 12 now. There is also some support around 1180. That was my first target, so watch out there and then watch for 1160. It would be awesome to get to 1160, but there is support at 1180 that we need to keep in the back of our minds a little bit because it could bounce, but I have a feeling it'll keep going. You know, we're getting a lot of continuations today, so. Apple, there we go, starting to turn over even more. There we go, there we go. Microsoft's acting funny, though. Yeah, it was. Looks like it's trying to just hold around here now. Starting to fall back. I mean, getting back to some of these big areas from this morning, like 313.80 and stuff like that. Corbin. Hope you're having a good morning. Hope everybody's having a good morning here. Let's get bullish on the like, Square said. I love it, Square. Thank you so much, my guy. Yeah, like up the stream, guys. Really helps us out on YouTube and stuff like that. And I know it doesn't take it's not very hard to smash the like button, so please help us if you are capable. If you enjoy the information. And Zoom has been one of the brutal ones lately. Coin. Saram talked about Coin earlier. I missed that one. Let's see. Coinbase. I know that Bitcoin was kind of moving rough. Yeah, Bitcoin's been really rough. I didn't know it was this rough at open, though. Wow, they're getting pretty far away from 30 grand again, aren't they? Yep. They are. Had that big run up. Now they're dipping back again. Very interesting with Bitcoin. Let me know how you guys think about Bitcoin right now. Do you think that it's gonna explode? Do you guys think 100K is incoming? I know everyone always talks about that, right? Like Bitcoin to 100K or something. Honestly, I think it could go higher if if it got the confidence it had. See, the thing is that for a few years there was so many people that really thought that these cryptos were going to overtake the dollar. Like, I don't know if you guys remember it, but like 2016, 17, 18, everywhere around those years, people were like, by 2021, by 2020, we're going to have the dollar replaced with Bitcoin. Remember, I think I heard it so many times. Like, I heard it so much. And they kept saying it was going to happen soon. Like, they were like, by this year, it's going to happen. And the petrodollar's going under and et cetera, et cetera, et cetera. Sure, the petrodollar might go under, but I don't know about these things becoming the world currency. And then plus, you'd have people saying that shitcoin was going to be the next currency. Like, literally, the thing would be called, like, what was that one called? Like, the cum rocket or something? Like, I'm only going to say it once, but I think there was, like, literally a coin called that. Like, so I'm not trying to be weird about it, but it's pretty funny. Sometimes those things had me laughing, I'm not going to lie. Wow, SPY. Let's go. Man, Tesla, come on. Get to 178. Dang. Looks like it's going to start to slow down a little bit here. Tesla might start to consolidate back up, so be a little bit careful there. Tangi said in 2016 he had about a dozen people try to pay him with Bitcoin. That's pretty crazy. A dozen people trying to pay you. That sounds tough, Tangi. I wouldn't have even been able to accept it. I'm not a crypto person myself. I don't even have a crypto account. That's how much I really am just not into it. I think I had a crypto account with like Phoenix or something, or Binance, or I don't know. Whatever it was, it like they ended up taking it away from the United States, and I was like, well, thanks for that. That's helpful. Yeah, Tesla's starting to come back now, so be a little careful. Andy said I made him pay cash. I would have too, man. I would have too. Oh man, Cornish said go snag a 6-pack on me. Thanks for the live. It's awesome. Thank you, Cornish. That is awesome. I appreciate you, Cornish. Hey, thank you. He says he's about to fold his CVX or CVS. Man, yeah, CVS is starting to fall down a little bit, isn't it? Man, I appreciate that, Sean. Thank you. Thank you. That's awesome. I will, Sean. I'll go get one later. I'll send you a picture of it in the chat. That's funny. Man, thank you though. That's awesome. I still gotta change those emotes and stuff like that pop up. I changed them before, but they switched on me. That's awesome though, Sean. Thank you. Appreciate that. Man, Tesla is still... I feel like it's gonna start to come up now, so be a little bit careful of that, guys. Gonna be probably ripping back up a little bit. Watch that 180 resistance, okay? Maybe we'll stick under 180. That'd be sick. Now that we blasted through there, let's see the book map. Oh yeah, 19,000 shares stack in there, so pretty big, but nothing too crazy considering it's Tesla. 178 is the big area. That's what we'll have to say. Yeah. Yeah, it's a big area down there. 178 even. Actually, it's about to test this 179.10 area here. Let's go. Yeah, thanks, Sean. Yeah. I really appreciate those comments, man. It's always nice to have some, nice comments like that coming in. Appreciate you, Sean, and yeah, I really appreciate you guys too. It's you guys really help us out at the same time. Like, man, yeah, it's awesome. I love the community. We're always bouncing ideas and stuff like that off of each other. It's been awesome the past few years. It's crazy to think about how Stocked Up was started back in the day. Let's see, will SPY fall under 410 or hold today? We have 75% of the vote saying fall under 410. Wow, let's see, dude. Yeah, we're going to have to see if we can get there or not. We got pretty close, but... got pretty close. That's great. Love the SPY. Come on, SPY. Yeah, I feel like we're going to probably move back up and consolidate a little bit here in the market. I think it's to be expected, kind of like what we saw with Apple, right? Like, Apple was just tanking down so much, right? It just kept going down and down and down and down without any real consolidation that, we had to pop up a little bit and consolidate. Now I think we might go on that secondary leg back down, and I think that's kind of like what some of these other stocks are doing here. They might be just consolidating here for a little while. Like Tesla is probably going to run up, test this 180 area. We're going to have to watch it close, then 180.50. See if it can break or not. Hopefully a lot of you guys trimmed down there around the lows. It was looking pretty awesome there for a minute. NASDAQ. Starting to come back a little bit with Tesla and stuff. How's Xbox looking? Ooh, Sean, don't forget about Starbucks here. This one actually looks pretty good. It looks a lot better than like Tesla, for example, which is like kind of trying to consolidate here. Starbucks looks like it's been kind of choppy all morning. Looks like it might now start to fade off. And it's not in the tech sector, so it's going to probably move a little bit how it wants to, not necessarily following tech. So that's cool. Yeah, look at that Starbucks. Come on, let's go down. It's right under $100 too, so looking like a pretty decent put play in my opinion here. Starbucks. Yeah, I think if this one breaks, we could see a lot more movement to the downside. Yeah, this is a pretty big support, though, so I'm going to make it move under 99.60, but I do like the play. I do like the play. Man, SPY, though. SPY's actually fallen back down to lows. That's funny. Tesla is consolidating a little bit here. Sean's in S-Bucks, next week's expiration. Likes it right now. Slow mover, yeah. Yes, sir. I really like it because if tech starts to rip up, I don't think Starbucks is necessarily going to follow. So I like it on that front. Yeah, it is a slow mover. Wow, Tessie getting another leg. Tessie, come on now, Tessie. Let's go down so everybody can exit out low. I don't know if you guys got out or not yet, but hey, looking good. Looking good. Let's see if I can draw this trend right here. Ah, it's not lining up. Hoping it would. You guys remember whenever Tesla had that truck window break on him? That was funny. Tesla's about to break lows though again. About to break again. This is going to be awesome. Come on, Tesla. Get under 178.40 here. Come on. It's so close. Let's see. Let's see. Man, Tassie here. Wow, that's really big there with Tesla. Starting to hold, actually. No, don't hold. Damn, it's starting to like double bottom. Well, hey, hopefully you guys are starting to trim. You guys aren't out yet. You know, hey, if you guys have multiple contracts, it's definitely trim time. If you guys haven't started to trim a little bit yet, and you have a lot of the contracts, I would say it's definitely trim time at least. But I think we'll still go lower, but it's awesome. Wow. Wow, Kumar in the chat. Walked away today with 10 grand on Tesla. That's awesome there. That is fantastic. Dang. They could have walked away with more too, I think. W's for Kumar with the... Wow, hey, if you guys are in the SM chat and you're in the premium right now, head in there and, man, give Kumar some congratulations there. That's awesome. Yeah, go give him some congrats. That is awesome there. 10 grand right there. It's pretty cool. Real quick there. All right, Tesla, let's go. Coming back. 178.30. Love to see it. Love to see it. Smash that like button, guys. If you guys are enjoying the stream here, smash the like. Appreciate you on that. But yeah, Tesla really dipping down here. Getting another leg. And Starbucks. Yes. Yes, sir, Sean. Ooh, Nvidia is under 300, Peak said. Ooh, Peak. Good call. Man, that's great, guys. Nvidia under 300 looks pretty good too. I mean, it's breaking a huge support here. It's been trying to bounce around this area for a while. So to see it, you know, finally getting under there this morning is awesome. Man, that is something else there. What is a good support for Tesla? Let's see. Let's see. 178. Wow, Tesla. Coming back now. That one was not a good break. Only broke for a second. Uh-oh. Oh, no. I feel like it's trying to come back right now. Like, I feel like the bulls are actually trying to buy this one back right now. Same thing with a lot of stocks. Like, there's so many stocks low here today, guys. Just be careful right now. You know, I feel like that we could end up coming back up. So just be a little bit careful. Party's opening more SPY iron condors for June 2nd. Sold the 415 call, 400 put. $2 widths per spread. Nice. Netflix is moving up. What? Nice. The ad-supported tier. Looks like they're liking it. Okay. I know they had some good news with that. Did you guys see that they were doing the password sharing crackdown? And then the ad-supported tier was pretty cool. It's a street fight. I feel you, Angie. It is. Someone's going to hit the pavement soon, though, is the problem. Come on, S-Bucks. Nvidia's looking pretty good. Can't lie. I mean, this one, it's been consolidating a lot, but it still looks pretty good. Looks better than a lot of the other ones that we've been watching over the past 5 minutes. It was obviously a luxury this morning. You know, we had a lot of stocks moving in great directions, almost everything. But now it's getting a little bit harder to tell. Hey! Hey! Did Bed Bath & Beyond finally go off the market? What the? Did they finally go out of business? Yeah. I could have sworn they were trading yesterday, right? No. That happened a while ago. Or maybe it's just a... What's their new ticker? BBBYF? Or are they officially off? I thought they were still on the OTC, weren't they? Someone will let me know. Someone will let me know the ticker on that one, I know. Or are they officially off? That's the thing. Bed Bath & Beyond stock. Let's see. Okay, BBBYQ. That's what it is. Q. Not F. There we go. 26 cents. 8% today. Look at that. How's AMC and GameStop in? Huh. That's funny. The market falls and the stock that's about to go under is moving up. That's funny. Of course, right? Inversing. You know what we didn't look at today at all was Meta. Oh, I see why. I don't like this setup here. There is a perfect trend line though there. You're perfect. And we have this one right there. Kind of like that. If not, I like the support around 246 anyways. So mark that one. And kabam. There we go. I'm going to be eyeing this up for Meta here today. See what goes on with it. Stays within the range or if it starts to actually move up and out. Whatever it decides to do, we will try it. Russell 2000 getting ready to move us on up, Sean says. That's the IWM. Man, Sean, I honestly hope you are wrong. You might be right, but I hope you're wrong. Ooh, yeah, Sean, I don't know. I don't know. That's a big resistance here. 180 on IWM. Be a little careful. A little careful. IWM. Are you looking to trade it up, Sean? Top IWM stocks. Let's see. Gosh dang it. Hate how they don't just like let me see. Like, come on. Top 10 holdings, okay. Shockwave, MCore, Iridium, Saya, Pellis, Aspire, Crocs, Texas Roadhouse. I know there's a whole bunch, so can't just go off this, but all right. I clicked the button and it doesn't show me all of them, so thank you there, Market Watch. Thank you. I always forget about Texas Roadhouse, to be honest, but nice. Okay, he's doing Russell futures. That's good. I was never a big Russell trader myself, Sean. Not that it's bad. I just wasn't. It just wasn't my thing back in the day. I actually never traded the Russell. I don't think I've ever traded it once in my life. I've always just went with something else or just the individual stocks. Flux was moving up solid. What is Flux? The flux capacitor! Oh, I know what this is. Flux Power. Of course they call it that. Sean's won 88% of Russell futures trades the past few weeks. That is awesome, Sean. W's for you. That is actually great. W's all around there. That is fantastic. Love to hear that, Sean. Great news. It only takes $680 of margin. I know. Yeah, Sean, so on NinjaTrader, are you still doing it on NinjaTrader, Sean? I know that on NinjaTrader, like if you trade S&P 500 futures, it only takes $500 of margin, and that's not even, that's just the regular E-mini one, Sean. Here, I'll actually show you. NinjaTrader. Where is it? Maintenance margin. That's it. Maintenance margin. Whoa. Did they updated their website, man. I'm not very happy with that. I don't like hearing that. Ah, now I'm not gonna see the margins anymore. Come on. Isn't it $50, Sean? Sean, isn't it way less than that? If since you're trading micros, isn't it like way less? Yeah, I'm kind of upset with this. They're not showing the pricing as easy now. Ah, here we go. View margins by market. This is exactly what I wanted here. So ES on the intraday margin, look at that. So you have the Russell, which is the R2Y. As long as it's an intraday scalp, you can actually trade ES for only 500 margin, which is insane. Looks like you can trade Micro Russell for only 50. Oh, I see what you mean, Sean, the initial margin. I see what you're saying. I see what you're saying. So you have R2Y and M2K. See how there's the initial margin, then the intraday? Because I'll tell you what, Sean, I mean, I used to trade these ES contracts with only having like 5 grand and stuff in there. So I don't know. I don't think you need like 12 grand to trade the ES ones as long as it's intraday. You know, as long as it's intraday. I don't know though. I'm not 100% sure anymore. I'm sure stuff has changed as well. Interesting though to see that. Yeah. I remember that's what I used to love. Used to be able to have like, you know, 3 grand in the account with this. Cause you know, this was like when I first started trading, I was using Ninja. So, you know, of course I was trying to do everything I could to stay under certain amounts. That's cool though. Come on, Tesla. That's really great though. 88% of future trades. That's crazy. He says, yeah, initial margin. I'm getting ready to put more money in to trade ES now. I know what I'm doing a little bit better. Nice stuff, Sean. Yeah, hey, Sean, you should, like, test it sometime and see if it lets you trade the ES futures without even having to add. Like, you might not even have to add anything in, honestly, if, since the intraday margin's only 500. You might want to, like, test it and, like, buy one and sell one really, really quick and see if it lets you. I have a feeling it would, Sean. Like, I know you don't need, I don't think you need that initial margin in there to trade those unless they change the rules, but you might. You very well might. Okay, so Sean, the initial margin is actually all you need to hold into the next session. So Sean, you don't even need yeah. Yep, you don't even need that. You only need 500 in your account to day trade ES futures. Now, I know you're going to need more because of how much those futures move, but I'm just saying in general, yeah, you don't even need the initial unless you're holding it through close. So that's cool. Unless you are holding it through, then that's fine. That's funny. They also have intraday margins that go up, Sean. I don't know if you saw this, but the intraday margins actually go up. Look at this. On NinjaTrader, before big economic events and stuff, the margins will actually go up 4x their standard rate. So that's pretty crazy. I did not know that. Interesting. Very interesting. Okay. So you can trade those on the intraday margin until 3:45 Central Time. And keep in mind they go off Central Time because most futures are traded on the Chicago Mercantile Exchange, which is the CME, usually. Hey, Xbox, how are you doing? I appreciate you. Appreciate you being here. Yeah, Sean, like, literally, I think it's literally just this number. I think you just have to have this. As long as it's a day trade, you just have to have that intraday number. I'm like almost 100% sure. But pretty cool though. That's what I love about NinjaTrader. Tesla can't break 179 right now. I know. It's having some problems, but hey, at least it's just staying where it is and it's not really falling lower or anything like that, Llama. You know, that's good. Good to see. Hey, Xbox. Appreciate you. I didn't even see your message before. I have so many messages today. Glad to have you back, Xbox. Yeah, holding through close can be weird with them. I used to swing copper futures through close all the time, and man, it was crazy. Sometimes there would be some insane swings, Sean. We'll just say that. I think the most I ever won on it was like probably like $6,000, and the most I lost was probably like $4,000 on the copper futures, but I only swang them a few times because I didn't really. It was too big of swings, honestly. I was just swinging copper contracts for a while. Man, they would go up and down quite a bit. Let me see if I can go find, I think it's HG, isn't it? Yep. HG. Let me go to the daily, see if I can figure out where I was doing this at. Oh, man. I think it was during one of these times. Like 16 or 17. Somewhere like in this range, I'm pretty sure. I'm like almost 100% sure I was trying to buy it up off of these lows and swing it up into highs. I'm pretty certain that's what I was doing. Can't be sure though. And that one makes me sad. I used to do this with my grandpa back in the day. That's what we used to do all the time. He used to love the futures. He made a killing on silver futures back in the day, apparently, but... Yeah, Sean, see, there we go. There we go. Yeah, I knew it would. I was like, man, that was the cool thing with Ninja Trader. They used to let you trade it with only like $500, and I was like, what? Because like you could blow up your account in like the snap of your fingers like that, but I guess they don't care as long as they're getting paid, right? But they should probably care a little bit more, but just be careful doing it, Sean. You know, it's you know, it could get volatile quick, so just keep that in mind. Also, remember they said that they're gonna up the amounts heading into big events, and we have the FOMC minutes later, so keep in mind around 15 minutes ahead of that they might up it a little. Well, hey guys, I appreciate you guys joining up today. It was awesome. Purdy says all day stream on Friday. When I finally take my baby home, I'm going to be on parental leave for 6 weeks. I'm going to be in the stream religiously. I can't wait. Love it. That's awesome. That's great. Llama says, do you think it's worth buying a PC to trade on? That's a tough one, Llama. Now, are you talking about trading on your phone or what? Because I would say if you're trading only on the phone, yeah, I probably would, Llama. And you don't even have to get anything that crazy expensive either, but as long as it's something pretty quick, has some RAM in it, you know, decent processor, should be good. Nice, Sean. He said 6 minutes per trade now. Yeah, okay. That'll work then. Ooh, ES looks like it's falling back off again. SPY's coming down. Tesla starting to maybe consolidate down again, so it's looking insane. Yeah, we might... Oh, man. Sorry, guys. Had a hiccup there. We might do it all day on Friday, though, Purdy. I don't know about all day, but maybe at least half the day or something like that could work. All right, Llama said they're trading on the phone. So, yeah, I would definitely recommend it, Llama. If I were you, my computer is from Origin PC. So you go to Origin and originpc.com, it looks like. So I actually built a pretty good gaming desktop here. You go to gaming desktops, custom gaming PCs. Now these ones are pretty expensive. Like I said, you don't really have to go with these. I'm not gonna lie, my computer was like $5,000, almost $6,000, I think. So just keep that in mind. You know, you don't have to have something like that. Okay, you don't. You could probably get something a little bit cheaper. Let's see, like ready to ship gaming PCs. I mean, you know, here's one for $2,000. This one's very nice. I mean, has a good processor, lots of RAM, lots of everything like that. What's the graphics card? RTX 470? Pretty good. That's really good. Yeah, really good computer there. Get this one for $3,800. Hell, it's gonna come with all this other stuff too. That's cool. You can start streaming if you buy this one for 3,800. That's funny. But here, let me find you a cheaper one. These are kind of bullshit, to be honest. Let me go to newegg.com, something like this. Why am I looking at this? HD 6450. What? This was like my graphics card when I was like 3 years old. Like literally, this was my graphics card whenever I was in like the 3rd grade, guys. Like the 5th grade or 6th grade or something. That is funny. Look at that card. For all my people out there who were into computers back in the day, man, these things were something else. Wow, 6450. That is something else. Can't believe that. Radeon. I think I even had one called like a 8590? 8590 CPU. Ah, whatever. It's alright though. The main thing is just gonna be like a good PC. Are you looking at laptops? Okay. You're looking at a real PC then. LG Graham. Yeah, he's looking to get a real PC, it looks like, though, rather than a laptop, but let's see how this looks. $16 gigs of RAM. Does it even have a graphics card? 1920 by 1200. Powered by an i7? That's not bad. SSD. RAM, 16 gigs. Now, it doesn't have the best graphics card in here, but at least this one. Oh, I think he said it was the 17 anyway. Either way, though, I would probably go with this. Just go to gaming, PC. You know, I usually like to do gaming computers myself. Certain brands are like MSI, stuff like that. MSI would be a good brand to start with, honestly. MSI. Okay, let's see. Here's one for like... Here you go. Here's one for like 1,200 bucks. It comes with a 1 terabyte SSD, 16 gigs of RAM. Pretty good, I think. Ryzen 7 processor. Comes with a good well, not the best graphics card, but good. Like, look, it says you could actually play like Overwatch and Counter-Strike and stuff like that. Hell, you could even play these things on 1440p, getting good FPS. But I'd probably go with something like this, personally. Maybe like... trying to find one for like 1,500 bucks. Of course, they like don't have any, right? What is this one? This one looks cool, but it's actually way worse than the other one we looked at, so... and it's more expensive. Weird. There we go. Yeah, it's pretty cool. I love computers, guys. I mean, I build them myself, personally. I only bought the Origin one because it's like a, you know, a big write-off or something. But, yeah, send me some links, Llama. Hit me up on Discord if you want to check it out. You know, we'll be in there all day long, and you can, you know, be in there and check it out with us and stuff like that. Be fun there, but yeah, hey, I appreciate you guys joining up today. It was an awesome live stream. Love the streams like this. You know, it was a great day. The sniper bot did well. Had a lot of guys in here having some fun, so appreciate you guys. Manny said spies testing lows, and wow, yes it is. Hopefully it goes down. Again, that'd be awesome. Get even more good movement, but 20 total votes today. Most of you guys said Spy would fall under 410, so let's see how it goes. 69% of you guys actually thought that, so pretty interesting that it's that interesting, I guess. But hey, I appreciate you guys joining up today. Have a fantastic rest of your day. I appreciate you. I hope that you guys keep killing it out there, you know, especially the guys who had some good dubs today. That's fantastic. So have a good one, guys. I appreciate you. And I will talk to you guys in the Discord. Thank you. Tangi, Manny, Llama, Sean, Xbox, Saram, Purdy, Eric Cruz, B Square, Christian, Spacely, Jamie, Copycat Tattoos, all the lurkers out there. Thank you for all the lurkers as well. Thanks for lurking around. I appreciate you. Hopefully we can watch the Spy and Tesla here dip back off one last time before we end the stream. Come on, Spy. One last red candle for us. We'll leave you on a good note. That'd be great. It was definitely the day for the Bears, though. We're going to have one last bear growl, because it was a good day today. Oh my god, that scares the shit out of me. Have a great day, guys. I'll talk to you later.